These are considerations for looking at poses. These are considerations for who's in your class and who might benefit more. I'm going to say, if you have, Mark works with a lot of athletes. Athletes aren't really known for walking around buckling in the lower back, right? So that, like, Mark's suggestion here is ideal for his typical student base, right? Really, like, oh, the pose is about this. Might not be ideal for a different. This is why group classes are so hard. But it's not your job to make the pose perfect for every single person. And if you can, I start to identify people in your class, or your students, you have a community. You're teaching a class full of athletes, and one of your hypermobile students shows up. Then you just say, okay, I'm still going to teach this main class. I'm just going to tell that one student, you might like the blanket a little lower. And if that doesn't happen, and they'll, again, like I said, they'll be okay. It's just one pose in one class. They'll be fine. They might not like that pose and that variation, but they'll forget about it. Their life will move on. And then the next time they come to class, you teach the version with it under, and they're like, oh! And then you've helped them.